Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a review on Tarte's High Performance Natural 4 matte lipsticks and 4 glosses. This is a bundle for $36, but it's actually $28 on Tarte's website right now, so if you guys want to purchase it, you can go on Tarte. I'm pretty sure they have them in Sephora and Ulta as well online. We're gonna go ahead and do a review on this and also swatches on the lips. Of course, if you guys like videos like this, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and continue watching. Let's go ahead and get into this video. I believe this one is the matte lipstick. It doesn't have a label, so this says the gloss right here, and then this one is the lip paint. So let's go ahead and do the glosses first because it's easier to remove. What color is this? Oh, this is not cool. They actually don't have the name on the tube, so I guess I have to read the label on the box. The first gloss we have is called Eager Gloss, which is this pink color right here. This is Eager. And this is what it looks like. So let's see. You already know this is too light for my skin tone. These gloss actually don't have any scent to it. The brush is really soft. Oh my god, guys, this is way too light for me. Here is Eager on the lips. The texture is really good. It's not super sticky. Oh, this one is called Crown. This one's a darker pink color. It's pretty nice. This is what it looks like compared to the last one. So here is Crown next to Eager. This is a darker pink. Again, still no scent, which is good. Better than having a chemical scent. So, ooh, it's so soft, you guys. That's so good. This is Crown. This feels so good. The next color we have is called Gift. Let's go ahead and take this out. So there is Gift next to Crown and Eager. So this is more of like a burgundy red. Gift is really, it's hella pigmented, but I don't know if it shows on camera. You guys can kind of tell it's slightly blotchy because dark colors are always like that. I would suggest using lip liner before you go in with gloss. It's actually bleeding a little bit on the edges. It looks kind of messy, so I definitely go in with a lip liner before putting on this gloss for sure. Here's our last color. This is called Cast. So pigmented. So this is Cast. Texture is still nice, just like the other one. Extremely pigmented, not sticky at all. Here's Eager, here's Crown, here's Gift, and this is Cast. Next we have the matte lipsticks. Let's go ahead and get into this. Of course, these don't have the name on them either, and that's the only thing as of now I would prefer for the lipsticks to actually have the names on them. Because like, what if your friends ask you, oh, what color are you wearing? I don't know, let me check my lipstick, and it doesn't have it on there. So yeah, Tarte, put the name on there, fam. What's going on? It's just like, you know, one name. Alright, anyways, so the first color we have is called Novel. This is a quick dry matte lipstick. Here is Novel. It looks like a bright red. Here is Novel on the wrist. We're going to give it a second to dry. Well, oh my gosh. This is so pretty. So here is Novel dried on my wrist. Here's Novel on my lips. Wow, I am really impressed with this formula. You can definitely tell that there is something on the lips. This kind of reminds me of Mary Jo from Kylie Cosmetics. It's really similar, but it doesn't feel as thick. It feels really thin, even though I put on like 2 layers. Okay. Brush is good, no scent, so it's nice. And the performance, definitely high. The next color we have is called Rain. This one here is called Rain. I like how the brush feels like butter. What's even better about this is it's not blotchy. Like one layer goes on so thin and nice. And it doesn't feel constricting. The next color we have is called Spice. This is a red matte lipstick. Here's what it looks like next to Rain. I actually placed 2 layers on this one because dark colors are always blotchy to me. And I think it looks pretty good. I do like the first red more than this one. So there's that. But texture is so good. Very thin, very matte. Y'all see that? And for the last matte lipstick we have, this one is called Velour. This is a pale pink color. This is what it looks like next to the wrist. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. I know this one's gonna be too light. I look like I'm from early 20s when they did those. It's a no for me. I don't like the color, but it is pigmented and feels thin. They did a good job being consistent with the texture for each one of these, even on the dark colors and even on this really light color. So here it is again on the wrist. Here is Novel, Rain, Spice, and Velour. So for my overall review on these matte lipstick and gloss, I give them an overall 4.5 out of 5 stars because it's actually pretty good. The texture is amazing. It doesn't feel thin, especially for the matte lipstick. As for the gloss, they're not extremely sticky like most glosses are, and you're like in the wind, and then the wind blows your hair, and then you're just like trying to remove it. But it doesn't feel super sticky. You don't feel like the gloss is sticking together and just trying to glue your lips together. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? The brush on here is so soft on the gloss. It feels like butter. Seriously guys, I've never felt a brush so soft on my lips before. This is nice. The matte lipstick brush is okay. It's not bad. There's no scent to these, so that's nice. You don't have a chemical scent coming off of your lips or when you place it on. Pigmentation in both gloss and matte lipstick is A1. It's amazing. I would definitely wear these again in the near future. The only con I have with this is the labeling of the lipstick, because you actually don't know which lipstick you're putting on. The name is not on here, so I had to look at my box to actually read off the name for you guys. So yeah, I would like to have the names on here, guys. Come on, Tarte. If you guys like this review, if you guys like this video, of course remember to give me a thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Why do I always drop stuff? My knee. Okay, let's do this over. Let's do this over. I forgot to take my allergy medication. Ugh. I got my teeth. fast, and I feel like